DAF is extensively testing its new XD and XF electric models with leading Dutch transporters as it prepares for mass production. These trucks can travel up to 500 kilometers on a single charge. Gerlof Owajima from Owajima Transport notes that their XD electric covers nearly 500 kilometers per charge, and with an extra charge, they could reach 1,000 kilometers a day. The new DAF electric trucks, based on the award-winning XD and XF models, come with up to 350 kilowatts per 480 horsepower motors and a range of battery packs offering up to 500 kilometers of zero-emission driving. Their LFP batteries are known for high energy density and longevity. DAF is also providing a full package of charging solutions in driver training and has opened a new assembly plant in Eindhoven. These electric trucks set new standards in efficiency, safety, and comfort.